Get ready, start. Now I would refer to some of our economic and other problems indicated or not referred to in the address of the president. It is true that the per acre yield of wheat, paddy, and other food articles has increased. It is also accepted that industrial production has increased. It is also admitted that the national wealth has also increased. But the question that has always disturbed the mind of this house and the other house has been how this national wealth has been distributed. I do not subscribe to the position that during this period of progress and development, the rich are getting richer and the poor poorer. But I do feel that the distribution of the wealth has not been equitable, and on the demand of Parliament, a committee was established to go into the matter and report. We have been long awaiting this report. I do hope the finance minister will see that the report and the recommendations of the government are placed before the parliament without further delay. In this connection, I might express our satisfaction regarding the policy adopted by the finance minister about the declaration of the stocks of non ornamental gold and the issue of gold bonds so that we may stop the prevalent smuggling and reduce the invisible and continuing waste of our foreign exchange. I feel this policy has had good effect inside and outside the country, and it has also helped to weaken the deep rooted social habits of gold holding, which in the present context is neither in the interest of the holder nor the public at large. I do feel in this respect that the sale of gold bonds has not been as one would have wished it to be, but I hope better publicity will be adopted so that we may have greater sale of the gold bonds and other securities which are intended to help the development of our country. I would refer in the same connection to the question of trade. By the breakdown of the talks by the UK regarding the European Common Market, several questions have arisen, and it is felt in our country and in other countries that some international organ should be established to look after the matter of trade and tariff. The GATT provides a forum to contracting parties, which is a specialized international body governing World Trade